People used to send him love letters. For years and years, George Booth would get letters from female readers proposing marriage to him. He was beloved. He's been beloved for decades here.
In the beginning, there were dinos, and it was good. And then, they went extinct. But before that, the dinos began to duel, and over time became craftier and more cunning, until super dinos emerged. And even they couldn't survive mass extinctions.
In Raven Wild, a reckless young boy named Hawk transitions into a courageous young woman called Raven. Raven rescues an injured bird and learns of an evil poacher's plan to steal a precious gem, one with the power to control all creatures great and small. On a dangerous jungle quest to stop him and save a kingdom of animals, a connection with a childhood friend called Finn soon transforms into love.
The series is a free online encyclopedia of drawing tutorials, accessible and useful to everyone, from the absolute beginner to the seasoned professional. Every tutorial is posted up online for free, for everyone, forever. No barrier to entry, no paywalls, no subscriptions, just masses and masses of free skill sharing. The How to Think When You Draw books collect together a wealth of these tutorials, covering character design, world building, animals, vehicles, composition fundamentals, and so much more